SkyTow, the future of active flight. Taught launch for 3 aircraft types. Small launch area 50 by 100 meter. Flexible sites, floating platforms, beaches, grass fields, plateaus. Efficient towing. Reach 1,000 meters in just 4 minutes. Rapid deployment, 10 to 15 minutes. Flexible sites, rapid deployment, efficient towing, wind independent.